Every year, hundreds of people disappear in the ocean. While many are lost to current or equipment failure, the sea is also home to specialized biological systems that have spent millions of years refining how they detect and neutralize anything entering their range. We rely on the ocean to regulate our climate and produce half of our oxygen. But beneath the surface, these life-sustaining processes coexist with some of the most specialized hunting environments on the planet. The predators found here are the product of 500 million years of environmental pressure. Evolution has shaped their physiology for a level of efficiency that matches the precision of modern human weaponry. To understand how these animals function, we have to look past the beauty of the water and examine the specific environmental zones that dictated their design. In the sunlit shallows, the primary challenge is visibility. Survival here often depends on a creature's ability to remain completely undetected until the moment of physical contact. The stonefish is designed to be indistinguishable from its environment. It does not chase or warn its targets. It remains motionless on the seafloor, appearing to be nothing more than a piece of weathered rock or coral. Its defense is triggered by pressure. When a predator, or a human foot, presses down on its back, 13 needle-sharp dorsal spines immediately inject venom through the skin. The venom, called phoracototoxin, is a multi-system weapon. It attacks the heart muscle to cause irregular contractions, triggers severe neurological pain, and causes rapid cellular breakdown in muscle tissue. Without treatment, this sequence can be fatal within 2 hours. For the stonefish, pressure is the only signal it needs. It does not distinguish between a threat and an accident. It simply reacts with a chemical defense that has remained effective for millions of years. Moving into the open ocean, the strategy shifts from camouflage to kinematic performance. In this environment, there is no physical cover, meaning survival belongs to the fastest and most observant hunters. The short-fin Mako Shark is a specialist in high-speed pursuit. It is one of the few warm-blooded fish, keeping its muscles primed for explosive bursts of 45 miles per hour, even in deep, cold water. Unlike species that rely on instinct alone, the Mako exhibits calculated hunting behaviors. It circles and tests its targets, utilizing a jaw structure that opens wide enough to lock onto and grip fast-moving prey. While the Mako relies on mechanical speed, other open water species have developed the ability to weaponize the water itself using high-voltage electricity. The electric ray utilizes modified muscle cells called electroplaques. These cells are stacked like batteries in series, generating an ion flow that can produce a discharge of up to 220 volts. This pulse is strong enough to knock an adult diver unconscious, leading to potential drowning. Whether through kinematic speed or electrical discharge, open water evolution has prioritized systems that can project power across a wide, empty environment. Below the sunlit zones, food is so scarce that missing a single meal can lead to death. This scarcity has forced deep-sea biology to develop highly specialized hunting methods that use light as a tool for deception. The anglerfish uses a bioluminescent lure to draw prey directly towards its expandable jaws. Because energy is limited, its body is designed to minimize movement, waiting for curiosity to bring a meal within range of its inward curving teeth. The dragonfish utilizes a more advanced strategy. It produces red bioluminescent light from organs beneath its eyes to locate prey in the dark. Most deep-sea animals can only see blue and green light, the only wavelengths reaching these depths. By using red light, the dragonfish creates a searchlight invisible to its prey, allowing it to track animals that believe they swim in total darkness. This system allows the dragonfish to hunt with a level of stealth that mirrors modern infrared targeting. It is an evolutionary solution to a world where being seen by the wrong animal often means death. The specialized venoms and light-based targeting systems we have observed represent only the small portion of the ocean we have actually explored. Our geographical knowledge of the deep is surprisingly limited. Currently, we have detailed sonar maps for less than 25% of the entire ocean floor. This gap in knowledge is best reflected by our exploration history. More human beings have stood on the surface of the moon than have visited the bottom of the Mariana Trench. The Hadal Zone consists of trenches reaching 11 kilometers deep. In these regions, the pressure and darkness create an environment that our most advanced equipment struggles to navigate. In this isolation, evolution has had 500 million years to experiment. The survival systems developed in these trenches have never been seen by human eyes, and they remain completely cut off from the rules of the surface world. The ocean does not adjust itself for our curiosity. It simply continues to produce survival machines shaped by 500 million years of competition. The most specialized answers to how life survives in the dark are still down there, waiting to be found.